please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. In today's video, we are learning one character, and I think in the future I'm going to make more videos about this character because this character is very interesting, very important, and very useful in the Chinese language. And this character is the. And in today's video, we're going to talk about one of the functions of this character, and it means whose. For example, mine, your, his. So usually we just put this the after somebody to form the possessive pronoun. So for example, 我 it's I, so 我的 my, 你 you, 你的 your, 他 he or she, 他的 his or her. So you can see it's quite simple to form this possessive pronoun in Chinese. We don't use another word for this meaning. We just put this character after somebody. Sounds like you're just put everything together like playing with Lego. If you put each piece together, then you have a sentence. So here we have 我的名字. 名字 means name. So 我的名字 my name. Alright? 你的咖啡 Cafe is coffee. 你的咖啡 your coffee. And 他的中文 中文 Chinese. 他的中文 his Chinese. And there is another expression here that is 房间的门房间的门房间 means room, 门 means door. So literally, when we translate this expression, it should be the room's door. And I know in English, we prefer to say the door of the room. So you can see if we want to talk about somebody's something, then it's quite simple. But if we want to talk about something of something, that is how we say it in English. In Chinese, it's another way around. Right? So we don't say the door of the room, we say the room's door. Okay, I have some takeaway for you today. Here we have 4 words. The first one is 衣服, that is clothes. 口袋, that is pocket. 厨房, kitchen. 窗户, window. I will read them one more time. 衣服衣服口袋口袋厨房厨房窗户窗户 Okay, I want you to translate those English sentences for me and leave them under the video. So, how to say my clothes? How to say my pocket? How to say the pocket of this piece of clothing? How to say my kitchen? How to say my window? How to say the window of the kitchen? Alright, that's all for you today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who is also learning Chinese. And hopefully, you already know how to use the with its first function. See you next time. Bye bye.